Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw Google Pay tap errors on Shell Recharge easy tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw Google Pay tap errors on Shell Recharge, begin by opening your Google Pay app. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Recent Activities section. Look for any transactions linked to Shell Recharge. Select the specific transaction that has an error. Review the transaction details displayed on the screen. Check for any notifications or messages from Google Pay regarding this transaction. If there's an error indicated, note the error code or message. Exit the Google Pay app and open the Shell Recharge app. Log into your Shell Recharge account. Navigate to the Transaction History section. Locate the transaction from your Google Pay activity. Select the transaction to view its details. In the Shell Recharge app, check for any specific error messages. If an error is present, follow the prompts to resolve it. Return to the Google Pay app after addressing the issue. Attempt to withdraw the transaction again by selecting Withdraw. Confirm the withdrawal request as prompted. Wait for a confirmation message indicating the process is complete. If the error persists, contact Google Pay support for further assistance. Additionally, reach out to Shell Recharge's customer support if needed. Keep a record of all related transaction details for reference. Be sure to check your email for any updates from either service. Follow up on any outstanding issues until resolved. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.